Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be teaching you how I made this Conrow on my head, and this is it. This is the way I am holding my extension. I am splitting it into two, putting on top of each other, and I will show you again. I have put the third, the third finger into my extension, which I've already put it into two, and from there that will make the extension being divided into three. You are going to use your third finger, the one in the middle, to you put it into your hands, and that will divide my extension into three. When it's divided into three, then you will start plaiting your hair. I am showing you this a couple of times so you can know how to hold your extension. When it's divided into three, wash my finger carefully. Then you will start to do your Conrow. In as much that as the extension is divided into three, you will be able to do your Conrow. Just watch very closely. You will use your fourth finger to put them through to the extension, and you will keep plaiting from the right hand to the left hand. You will always make use of your fourth finger to go right straight into the extension. If you keep watching closely, you will know how to do your own Conrow. Just keep watching. Even though you have a short hair, you can still do your own Conrow. In as much as you follow my method, do it like that. After dividing the extension into three, you will put your third finger into the extension each time, and when you are adding extension, put it into the middle of the extension that is already there. Keep watching, guys. Any question, please don't forget to pop it in the comment section. I will do my best to answer it. If you want to ask any question on how I made this Conrow, or if it is confusing for you, let me know. I will reply you in the comment section as much as I can, and I will explain the process. If you keep watching from the back, you will see what I've done. This is why I've done a full video like this, and if you keep watching, you will see I am going to do a slow motion on how I made this Conrow, because I know everyone have been asking me how do I do my own Conrow. It is so frustrating when you just want to wear a wig and you don't know how to do the Conrow. Sometimes you just don't want to wear your wig like that, so that's the reason why a lot of people want to know how to do Conrow. But if you follow this step closely, and not just this part, if you watch until the end of this video, you will see the way I've made it into a slow motion so that you will understand how I Conrow this hair.